Hi there guys, Ralph here with 4K Equipment. Got a quick one for you today. I just finished installing this iDig kit on this excavator, and what we're going to do is we're going to test the accuracy. This is relevant to any of their newer models, so their CT models or the XD611 or 610. Basically it's just a quick check to see the accuracy of the system. And so I'll go ahead and get it set up for you. So basically I'm completely done, everything's done on the screen there. I'm gonna set up my pointer bubble here. We're gonna shoot it down the boom, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna open the bucket, open the stick, and I'll come back to you right after I get that set up. I've now got my laser pointer over there pointed down the boom, if you can see, on a tripod, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this bucket here. Let me put you right there. We're gonna open the bucket all the way, we're gonna put the stick out all the way, and there is gonna be a tiny red light there in the bucket. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bench or zero on that red light right on the cutting edge with everything open. So I'm going to come back here onto my screen and I'm going to zero, the quick zero button. Now what we do expect as I bring this bucket closed and the stick all the way in, we expect this to still be zero. So any error that we see in the screen tells me that there is an inaccuracy. So as I brought it in, I put the laser bevel right there on the bottom cutting edge of that bucket. It's fluttering right at zero, which basically means that the calibration for the bucket is pretty much bang on. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to really stress it. I'm going to bring the stick all the way in. Try not to hit the laser pointer over there. And close the bucket even more. Wait till I see that laser bubble again. Might have to rotate to get it over there. And there it is. So we're just a little high here, and right there is about the same mark. So as you can see, the cutting edge is at the same height technically, because that laser bubble or the laser level is completely level. And so over here it's telling us that we have 0.05 feet of air going through the entire range of motion. So what that means is that there's going to be a percentage of that air every time that I use this. So that means if I'm measuring something from here and then I move it out and then measure it from here, it's going to be a tiny percentage of that 0.05 feet air. And so that's what we use to see how accurate the system is after an install of just the 2D system. And generally it depends on what your application is, but for exactly what we're doing here, this is plenty accurate. Yeah, and if you have any more questions over any other testing of how accurate the iDig kit is, yeah, feel free to leave a comment, send us a message, or give us a call. All of our info's in the description there. So yeah, thank you.